Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 9th of July, 2024. Indian benchmark indices ended at record high on July 9th, led by buying across the sectors. The Sensex was up 391.26 points or 0.49% at 80,351.64, and the Nifty was up 112.70 points or 0.46% at 24,433.20. Top gainers on the Nifty included Maruti Suzuki, M&M, ITC, Titan Company and Divi's Labs, while losers were ONGC, Tata Consumer, Reliance Industries, Shriram Finance and Bajaj Finance. Talking about the corporate segment, we have Calcutta Electric Supply Corporation shares jumped 10% in trade on July 9th after the firm decided to raise effective tariff by 5.7%, while also starting to levy fuel adjustment charge on its consumers. Domestic brokerage IIFL Securities said that the tariff hike shall make up and cover the costs of the firm's incremental fuel charges and make sure it sees complete cost recovery. According to reports, the gross power tariff of 7.33 rupees, which includes the FPPAS as of July 2nd, is among the lowest compared to other major cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, and Bengaluru. CESC has clarified that there has been no change in the tariff for the past 7 years. CESC's accumulated regulatory assets, which stand between 3,000 rupees crore to 3,500 rupees crore, will be gradually recovered with regulatory approval. Currently, CESC trades at a steep discount to Torrent Power, Tata Power, and Adani Power. This discount shall narrow to a great extent following the tariff hike, added the brokerage. Over the past year, CESC shares jumped over 140% in trade as against a 26% rise in the domestic benchmark index Nifty 50. Shares of PC Jeweller skyrocketed 10% on July 9th after a block deal took place on the counter. A total of 1.9 million shares of PC Jeweller changed hands in bunch trade, showed Bloomberg data. The details of the buyers or sellers were not immediately known. The stock was locked at 10% upper circuit in the previous session as well after the company informed stock exchanges that it had received approval from Punjab National Bank for its one-time settlement proposal. Punjab National Bank, PNB, one of the principal lenders in the consortium supporting PC Jeweller, communicated its approval through a letter dated July 6. The jewelry firm informed exchanges that the one-time settlement terms include both cash and equity components, along with provisions for the release of securities and mortgage properties held by the banks. KETSTONE Realtors stock price jumped over 6% on the bourses on July 9 after the realty player reported a 22% growth in pre-sales for the quarter ended June 30, 2024. During the April-June quarter of financial year 2025, the total pre-sales came in at 611 rupees crore, as against 502 rupees crore in the corresponding quarter in the previous fiscal. However, on a sequential basis, the pre-sales have fallen 28% from 843 rupees crore in the March quarter of financial year 2024. Collections came in at 485 rupees crore for the quarter as compared to 495 rupees crore last year, falling 2%. From the quarter ended March financial year 2024, collections fell 28% to 670 rupees crore. KETSTONE Realtors launched 2 projects in quarter the 1st of March financial year 2025, which have a saleable area of 0.63 million square feet and an estimated GDV of 2017 rupees crore in line with the firm's guidance of launching 2 projects a quarter. The firm completed a fundraise of 8 rupees crore through QIP in May 2024. This further strengthens our financial position to achieve our ambitious growth plan, said the real estate player in an exchange filing. Commenting on the company's operational performance for quarter the 1st of March financial year 2025, Bowman Irani, the CMD, said, "The first quarter of March financial year 2025 has set a tone for the year, marking an inflection point for our company as we continue to build on the significant momentum from March financial year 2024. We are confidently poised to deliver substantial value to all stakeholders as we navigate through this year, anticipating a strong uptrend in both acquisitions and launches." IRFC share price hit new record highs on Tuesday, reaching an intraday high price of 213.2 for rupees. At the time of writing, however, the share price was down by 196.65, having shed 2.6%. Railway stocks are on a hot streak, with the RVNL share price also hitting new highs this week. The rally follows news that Indian Railways had started the production of 200 non-AC trains, with 10,000 coaches to be procured in the 2024-25 and 2025-26 financial years. The Indian government has prioritized infrastructure development in its near-term and mid-term development plans, and the railway sector has been allocated 2.5 trillion rupees in the current financial year. Overall, it is estimated that Indian Railways will order up to 21,000 wagons per year in the mid-term. Furthermore, this presents a boon for IRFC in its role as a financier, with the corporation expected to fund up to 81% of the orders. Looking ahead, IRFC share price could potentially come under pressure from profit takers after the recent rally. The stock has risen by about 14% since the month began, and it is likely that some investors will opt to take profits, especially in view of the new all-time highs recorded. That said, the downside will likely be in the form of a retracement before a continuation of the uptrend, in view of the strong market fundamentals. MOS Utility Limited in daily time frame is trading around 190.35 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.155 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 165.66, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 65.24. Sharda Motor Industries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 2,925.45 points with a change of 13.25% and is trading with a net volume of around 393.076 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 2,489.75, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 83.90. Bombay Burma Trading Corporation Limited in daily time frame is trading around 2,379.85 points with a change of 18.6% and is trading with a net volume of around 4.611 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 2076.59, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 78.39. For the stock recommendation we have, Max Financial Services Limited looks good and can be bought at 1,014 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 990 rupees and a target of 1,040 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.